Holy crap, I think he has it, you guys. This is crazy. Okay, having a little training session with Lefty. Warmed him up a little bit with the targeting, which he's great. Let's see if I can just turn him. Sorry, buddy. He definitely moves slower. Blah, blah, blah. And getting him to turn around, it's a struggle. I don't know. I'm not sure why. Good job. Oh, yeah, he has a hard time turning around. I don't know if it's just because he's an old man or like people have been commenting there's something about his left foot. Try it again. No, I don't know if I get him moving more, if it'll help. Maybe I should go for a wave instead. Maybe I should stand. Okay, let's try this. You good? Lefty. You come if I do it this way? Good. Good job. I don't know, something about him spinning, it seems hard. I'm gonna just do a little step up training versus the spin. Something about the spin feels off to me, like maybe he's, I don't know. Can you come? It's okay. Lefty, can you come? Good. Actually, I might do the wave. I might do the wave with you. That'd be really cute for Capri. She's been wanting you to wave. Okay, let's do that. Here you go. Yeah, just lift your little foot. Good. I wonder if I should make it a high five. Should I make it a high five or should I make it a wave? Maybe a high five would be cuter for Capri. Which one do you think she'd like? Just give me a little foot. Give me a foot. Lefty. Can I have a foot? Good. Hey, baby. Are you getting jealous? Lift up that foot. That one? Did you lift it? I don't want you to lift it because you're scared. I want you to lift it. Lift. Good. Make sure you guys can see this. Lift. That was pathetic, but it was a little bit. Oh, kind of like, it didn't hurt at all. It startled me. Okay, I'm gonna keep working on this to get back to you guys when I have progress. Go. Come on, Lefty. Lift, lift, lift. Almost. Come on. Good. Touche. Thank you, Touche. Holy crap, I think he has it, you guys. This is crazy. Okay, I started using capturing because I just felt like the step up was confusing him. And he lifts his foot on his own. Can you guys see this? Oh, is this focusing? Maybe it was better before. Okay, maybe it's better washed out. Crap, I wasn't watching. Sorry. Good. So he's just doing it. He's just lifting it. Do it again. He's bringing it to his beak, so I have to be quicker. I can't get quicker than you. Can you wait? It's cute. I just want it lower. Yeah. Got it. You do a little wait. Good. Oh, yeah. That was so good. You're doing it faster than you can eat. Yeah. He's like, just wait there with the treat. My minion. Okay. You guys seeing it? Actually works better with capturing. Good job. You're doing so well. Capri's gonna be so excited. Do a little wait. Do a little wait. Good job. Give me a little chunky monster. You do a little wave. Little wave. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Do a little wave. Yeah. This is one session. Okay. Can you do a little wave? Little wave? Get a little wave? Little wave, Lefty? Yeah. Here we go. Do a little wave. Yeah. Thank you, though. Good job! You did it, Lefty. Oh, thanks, Touche. Oh, you did it. Good. You're still doing it? What do you want to try?
I want to give you one. It for me.
Hmm?
You see? You guys want a cup? He touched it.
Yeah, I know. I'm working on wave with him.
It's okay. I ordered pizza. You want a slice? No.
Lift up your foot. Lift up your foot.
You okay?
Yeah, I was.
Look it.
You guys are crazy.
Watch this. I can do it.
Lift up your foot.
Whoa. How to train distractions.
No kidding.
2 kiddings.
You say I had the glasses and I holded it and then he holded it with his feet.
Really?
Yay! Do you want to see what Touche does?
Yeah. Hey, Torpedo.
Okay, what do you like to do it with?
Glasses.
Oh, yeah.
Can Shane do it or do I move?
I need that.
Touche. Don't do that, Charlie.
Okay. Hey, Dad, you want to see something?
I'm watching stuff right now. Hold on.
Oh, you don't like this. Sorry.
We stepped on glasses. He's carrying glasses over. Ready,
You
Dad?
see?
Yeah, I'm just
And look at this
acknowledging
one.
this environment for training.
Look at that. Okay, let's work on you.
With
Want to
the
see Lefty's
glasses?
wave?
With the glasses, he touched it with his beak like this. And then he threw it over there.
It's cute, right? Oh, what you just hit Lefty. See that?
Bye-bye, Lefty. He's trying to grab the phone.
Hey, touche. All right, you guys are done.
I'm trying to. She was trying to grab the